is Astoria Boulevard. Transfers available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is 30th Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is Broadway. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is 36th Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is 39th Avenue. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza. This is Queensboro Plaza. Transfer is available to the 7th train. This is a Manhattan-bound N train. The next stop is Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. This is Lexington Avenue, 59th Street. Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, and R trains.
A free transfer is also available to the F and Q trains by walking to the Lexington Avenue 63rd Street station
and use an Omni or your Metro card.
This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is 5th Avenue, 59th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is 57th Street, 7th Avenue. This is 57th Street, 7th Avenue. Transfer is available to the Q train. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is 49th Street. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is Times Square, 42nd Street. This is Times Square, 42nd Street. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 7A, C, E, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the shuttle to Grand Central. Connection is available to Port Authority Bus Terminal. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is 34th Street, Herald Square. This is 34th Street, Herald Square. Transfer is available to the E, D, F, N, Q, R, and W trains. Transfer is available to the M34 Select Bus Service. Connection is available to the PATH trains. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. This is 14th Street, Union Square.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Transfer is available to the 4, 5, 6, L, R, and W trains. Transfer is also available to the M14 Select Bus Service.
This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is Canal Street. This is Canal Street. Transfer is available to the 6, J, Q, R, and W trains. This is a Brooklyn-bound N Express train. The next stop is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center, and Pacific Street. This is Atlantic Avenue, Barclays Center, and Pacific Street.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Transfer is available to 2, 3, 4, 5, B, D, Q, and R trains. Connection is available to the Long Island Railroad. This is 36th Street. Transfer is available to the D and R trains. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is 59th Street. This is 59th Street. Transfer is available to the R train. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is 8th Avenue. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is Fort Hamilton Parkway. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is New Utrecht Avenue. This is New Utrecht Avenue. Transfers available to the D train. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is 8th Avenue. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is 20th Avenue. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is Bay Parkway. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is Kings Highway. This is Kings Highway. Transfer to the B82 Select Bus Service. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is Avenue U. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next stop is 86th Street. This is 86th Street. This is a Coney Island-bound N train. The next and last stop is
Surf Avenue.
This is
Surf Avenue.
transfer available to the D, F, and Q train.
This is an accessible station. The ramp is at the center of the platform.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.